The emergence of IoT devices and networks is making remote metering the best alternative for monitoring and controlling water meter networks. When deploying remote metering, utilities need to choose the right communication technologies, select the best time to replace traditional meters, and efficiently manage any alarms received. Thanks to GoAigua Meter Insights, companies can integrate smart meter readings and detect possible anomalies regardless of the vendor and the communication method used. This solution is ideal for managing the entire water meter network, as well as obtaining key indicators and comparing performance between vendors. It also facilitates the integrated management of alarms and readings. GoAigua Meter Insights indicates the best time to upgrade water meters, thus helping to improve the overall quality of the network and maximize the return on investment. It also improves the efficiency of traditional meter management. GoAigua Meter Insights analyzes consumption data through intelligent algorithms to detect leaks and fraud and to pinpoint commercial losses caused by aging meters. It is also a useful tool for segmenting customers and forecasting water demand. Its use increases customer satisfaction through a reduction in the number of complaints and the advantages of remote metering, making it unnecessary to go to the customer's home to read consumption data. In short, GoAigua Meter Insights enhances the management and analysis of data collected from smart meters in water utilities.